Now algebra of matrix, scalar multiplication, addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, equality of matrix, product of two matrices, division rule not defined, okay. Here how to take scalar multiplication. A is equal to a11, a12, a13. 1 indicate first row, 2 indicate second row, 3 indicate third row. This second entry indicate first column, 2 second column, third column. Now multiple by m to every element inside the matrix. So by this way we are taking scalar multiplication. For example, if A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 3, then how to find 3A? So 3 into 2, 4, 5, 3, multiply inside, 3 into 2, 6, then 3 into 4, 3 into 5, and 3 into 9. 3 into 3. Answer 6, 12, 15, 9. Order of matrix A is M 2 by 2. Order of B 3 also 2 by 2. So by this way we are taking scalar multiplication. Multiply inside by 3. Now addition. How to add matrices? The first condition is, or in addition A plus B plus C plus dash dash. The addition of all matrices order must be same. Then only we can add. Now Aij का मतलब A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A33 in general Aij. Order m rows, first row, second row, third row, dash dash m rows. N indicate columns, first column, second column, third column. The order of all matrices must be same. Then addition, matrix also having same order. How to add? Here, if A plus B plus C, suppose A is 2, 4, 1, 3 plus B is 1, 1, 1, 2 and C 3, 4, 5, 4. How to add? Here addition, add corresponding elements. A11 add with B11, add with C11. A11, B11, C11. Add corresponding elements only. So here 2 plus 1 plus 3. This is first element. Now A12, B12 and C12. A12, first row, second column. So first row, second column, add with first row, second column, add with first row, second column. 4 plus 1 plus 4. By this way we are taking addition. Now second row, first column. A21, add with B21, add with C21. Same order, same place element add. 1, 1, 5. And by this way we are taking addition of matrices. Next, difference of two matrix. For difference of two matrix, here matrix A, B, Aij, Bij matlab inside a component, elements are as like. Order must be same. The answer, difference of matrix also having same order. So A minus B, 4, 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 3, 1, 4. 1, 2. How to subtract? Here 4 minus 2. Subtract A11 element with B11. Subtract A12 element with B12. So 1 minus 3. Here 2 minus 1 and 3 minus 2. Okay. So subtract A11 subtract with B11, A12 subtract from B12, यानी कि same place element we can subtract. This is the place of both matrix having same. This is same first row second column. So by this way we are taking difference. The final answer is 4 minus 2 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is required answer. Required answer also having same order. Okay. So by this way we are taking the difference of two matrix in algebra. Now equality of matrix. When we say that two matrices are equal, A and B are equal, मतलब here 2, तो B component also 2. Here first row second column 4 है तो this also 4. ये 5 है तो this also 5. 9 है तो this also 9. तो two matrices of same order, इसका order 2 rows 2 columns, 2 row 2 column, read as 2 by 2. तो two matrices of orders same order is said to be equal if and only if the same place A11 with A11, B1, A12 with B12, same place elements are equal. Okay, so then we can say that these two matrices are equal. But what is the use of definition of equality? Suppose here A given and here X given and here Y given. So by definition of equality, Y की वैल्यू 2, X A की वैल्यू 4, and by definition of equality X is 5. Okay, so find the value of X, Y, A by definition of equality, equate corresponding elements only. Okay, so now take product. Now how to take product? How to take product of two matrices? 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 First condition is number of columns in matrix A, that is n, is equal to number of rows in matrix B. First indicate row, second indicate column, that is also n. These both are column of matrix A and row of matrix B equal, then only product is possible. Then order of new matrix AB or say C is, यानी कि remaining M and P. This is the order of new matrix AB, and here M by N, N by P, these both are equal, then possible product, and the order of new matrix is M by P. Okay, now how to add matrix? If A is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay, B is equal to here X1, Y1, Z1, या X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2, X3, Y3, Z3. Okay, order of, then product of AB, here A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 into B, X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2, X3, Y3, Z3. How to take product? यानी here दिस इज A11 यानी कि दिस इज रो 1 कॉलम 1, दिस आंसर रो 2 या दिस मैट्रिक्स डिनोटेड बाय कैपिटल A, रो 1 कॉलम 1, दिस रो 1 कॉलम 2, this element row 1 column 3, this element second row column number 1, second row column number 2, second row column number 3rd, here third row column 1, third row column 2, third row column 3. Here select row from first matrix A and column from second matrix B. Select first row first column यानी कि R1 C1 रो नंबर 1 R1 C1. How to find this element A R1 C1? तो select first row element, write in first bracket, this is first row element, row from first matrix A, then select column 1 C1 column 1, तो column 1 x1 y1 z1, write here x1 y1 z1, A1 x1 B1 y1 C1 z1. This is the first element of AB. Now how to find this element? यानी here how to find A R1 C2. Here R1 C2. How many row? 3 row 3 column, तो 3 terms required here. Take take R1, row from first matrix A1 B1 C1, A1 B1 and C1, row from first matrix. C2 column from second matrix, ये C2 x2 y2 z2, this x2 y2 z2 right here. So this is the product of A and B. So A1 x2 B1 y2 C1 z2 okay, C1 z2. Now third element this A R1 C3 order of matrix is 3 by 3 order. Okay, so here R1 select row from first matrix A1 B1 C1 and C3 column from second matrix C3 x3 y3 z3 x3 y3 z3. So here A1 x3 plus B1 y3 plus C1 z3. By this way we are finding other elements by same procedure. So select row from first matrix and column from second matrix, Okay, so by this way we are taking the product. If A is equal to 2 1 3 4 1 2 4 1 3 B matrix given, find out 3A, मतलब scalar multiplication with A matrix, then addition of 2 matrix, subtraction of 2 matrix, and this addition. Now first here A given 2 1 3 4 1 2 1 3 2, B given 4 5 7 2 1 1 3 1 2. Then how to calculate 3A? Here 3 element 2 1 3 4 1 4 1 2 and 1 3 2. Multiply inside by 3 to every element. Multiply inside by 3 to every element, and 3 into 2, 3 into 1, 3 into 3, 3 into 2. Answer 3A is equal to, answer 3A is equal to 6 3 9 6 3 9 12 3 6 12 3 6 3 9 6 3 9 6. First scalar multiplication complete. Multiply inside to every element by the scalar, that is by number 3. Now A plus B, matrix A, here order 3 by 3, first row, second row, third row, column 1 2 3. B matrix, first row, second row and third row. How to add matrices? The first required order must be same. This having 3 rows and 3 columns. Order of both matrix is same. The new matrix also order 3 by 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. How to find this A11? To add A11 with A11 of both matrix. Here 4 plus, 2 plus 4. Add corresponding elements only. First row, second column, add with first row, second column, not with other. This element first row, third column and first row, third column. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. Add 4 plus 2, add 1 plus 1, add 2 plus 1, add third row first column with third row first column, third row second column with third row second column, and third row third column. Add to same place element, add to here addition 6 6 and 10, 6 2 3 4 4 4. So by this way we are finding A plus B. Now A minus B, write A minus B. Okay, so A is 2 1 3 4 1 2 1 3 2. B 4 5 7 2 1 1 3 1 2. inside the bracket, multiple by minus, -4, -5, -7, -2, -1, -1, -3, -1 and -2. A 213, 412, 132. Now add corresponding element 2 minus 4, 1 minus 5, 3 minus 7, 4 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Final answer -2, -4, -4, 2, 0, 1, -2, +2, 0. Order of this matrix 3 row 3 column, 3 row 3 column. Order of difference of these two matrix also same order, यानी कि same order matrix we can add या subtract only. The new matrix order also same of similar to A and B. Okay, now how to take how to solve last 2A plus now 2A plus 4B plus 7A, okay, plus 7A. Here 2A, 4B, 7I. 2A, 4B, 7I. Okay, so here 213, 412, 132. Here 457, 211, 312. And here unit matrix, order of this matrix 3 by 3. So this also 3 by 3 order. That all diagonal element equal to 1 and non-diagonal element 0. Unit matrix. Now scalar multiplication. Now scalar multiplication. Multiply inside by 2, multiple by 2, multiple by 2, multiple by 2, 2 and 2, multiple by 2, multiple by 2 and multiple by 2. Same way, this is 16, 20, 28, 8, 4, 4, 12, 4, 8, multiple by 7, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 7. Now addition. Add corresponding elements only. 4, 16, 7. Then 2, 20 and 0. 2, 20 and 0. Here 6, 28, 0. 6, 28, 0. Now 8, 8 and 0. Here 2 plus 4 plus 7. 4 plus 4 plus 0. 2 plus 12 plus 0. Then 6 plus 4 plus 0. 4 plus 8 plus 7. And now addition 27, 22, 34, 16, 13, 8, 14, 10 and 19. Order of this matrix also 3 rows, 3 columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. So here we have seen how to add, how to subtract the matrices and scalar multiplication. A is equal to 415 203 123. B given. Find A square, B square, AB and BA. A square is equal to A into A. Here matrix A 4 1 5 2 0 3 1 2 3. Again same, A is 4 1 5 2 0 3 1 2 3. How to take product? Here this element, first row first column, first row second column. How to find this element? First row third column. Okay, means now how to find R1 and C1. So here AR1 C1, AR1 C1, write R1 element from matrix A. So here R1 is 4 1 5. This is R1 element, row from first matrix, column from second matrix. This is column 1. Yani here C1 element, column 1 element 4 2 and 1. Select first row, this is R1 and C1, and take product 4 into 4, 1 into 2 and 5 into 1. मतलब 4 into 4 ये, 1 into 2 ये. And the best way is in first write R1 element and in second bracket write C1 element. Total 16, 2 and 5. So 16 plus 2 plus 5. Now for this element A R1, to select R1 element, to here and C2. So row from first matrix R1 element 4 1 5, column from second matrix, so this is C2, column from second matrix, to column 1 0 2, 1 0 2, product 4 0 10, to 4 0 10, 4 0 10. Next element A, row from first matrix and column from second matrix. Row from first matrix, column from. So how many terms in formula depend on row and columns. Okay, so here R1 row from first matrix 4 1 and 5. This is R1 element. Column number third, this is column number third. 5 3 3. 23 and 15. So 23, 15. The answer is here 23, then 4, and this answer is 38. Now how to find this? This lies in second row, column 1. This lies in second row and column first. How to calculate AR2C1? The select now row from first matrix and column from second matrix. Here R2, this R2 element, R2 2 0 3. Now C1, second row, this place is row number 2 है, column number 1. तो C1 is 4 2 1, product 8 0 3, 8 0 3. Now second row, second column, product 2 into 1 2, product 0, product 6. Then this lies in second row, third column. Select second row and column third. Product 10, product 0, product 9. Then third row, first column. यानी कि यार थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. Okay, either write, keep finger on third row, this is R3, keep finger on third row and column number first. Okay, so 4 into 1 4, 2 into 2 2, and 3 into 1 3. Same way, write down here third row. Your third row is 1 2 3. This is third row. Column number first 4 2 1. Product 4 4 3. Same answer 4. This third row this is 4 and 3. Okay, so answer 4 4 3. Now third row second column 106. Now this is third row third column. Third row. Now last chance hai. How to find this place? This lies in third row and third column. Order of matrix 3 by 3 है. तो how many term in product? 3. Write down third row element, row from first matrix, third row element 1 2 3, and column from second matrix. Here this is C3. So C3 is 5 3 3. Answer 5 6 9. 5 6 9. ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम 5 6 9. राइट हेयर. टोटल 11 8 19 11 7 15 और 8 20. Order of this a square. Order of a is 3 by 3. So order of a square also 3 by 3. Order of a square also 3 by 3 order matrix. how to calculate b square, the product of b and b matrix. Here b given this. So how to find b square? Here select row from first matrix. This is first row, column 1. This place is first row, column 1. So select row from first matrix and column from second matrix, R1 C1. Corresponding product 3 into 3 9, then 1 into 1 1, and then 2 into 2 4. So row from first matrix, column from second matrix, A1 1 place complete. How to find A2 2? This is R2 and C2. तो A2 2 के लिए select this element A1 2. तो रो नंबर फर्स्ट, कॉलम नंबर सेकंड, R1 and C2. ओके, तो रो नंबर फर्स्ट, कॉलम नंबर सेकंड. सिलेक्ट रो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स एंड कॉलम फ्रॉम सेकंड मैट्रिक्स. प्रोडक्ट 3 प्लस प्रोडक्ट इज 2 प्लस प्रोडक्ट इज 2. नाउ दिस प्लेस first row, third column, and R1 C3. Select row first from first matrix, row from first matrix, and column from second matrix. So your third column, take corresponding product 6 plus, take product 3 plus product is 6. Now this second row first column मतलब R2 and C1. Now row from first matrix, select second row and column 1. Product 3 plus 2 plus 6. Product 3 plus 2 plus 6. 3 2 6. Now this place second row, second column, R2 C2. Select row from second matrix, column from second matrix. Then product is 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3. Then this is second row, third column, R2 C3. How to take product? This is C3, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. Okay. Now, this lies in third row, first column, R3, C1. So now select row from matrix and this is C1. Okay. So here C1, 3, 6 plus 1 plus 6. 6 plus 1 plus 6. So by this way we are taking product. Third row, second column, R3 C2. This is second column. Okay. Now product 2 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 2 plus 3. And then A3 3. Third row, third column. Select third row and third column. Product 4 plus 3 plus 9, 4 plus 3 plus 9, addition 14, addition 7, addition 15, 11, this 9, 17, 13, 7 and 16. This is A square and B square answer. A square and B square. Now A into B. Matrix A 3 by 3 order. Matrix B also 3 by 3 order. Matrix B also 3 by 3 order. Okay, here order of this, how many row from first matrix, column from second, यानी कि column first matrix column is equal to number of rows in second matrix. This both are equal, then only product possible. The new matrix order is 3 by 3. New matrix order 3 by 3. But when possible, product column from A and row from B must be equal. The new matrix order having this. Now this is A11, first row first column, 12, 1, 10. 12, 1, 10. Detail we have seen here. Now displace first row second column. First row second column, 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, 5. First row third column. First row third column, 8, 3, 15. 8, 3, 15. Second row first column, 6, 0, 6. 6, 0, 6. Second row second column, A22. Second row second column, 2, 0, 3. 2, 0, 3. Second row third column. Second row third column, 4, 0, 9. 4, 0, 9. Then third row first column, 3, 2, 6. 3, 2, 6. Third row second column, 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. And third row third column, 2, 6, 9. Answer 23, 11, 26, 12, 5, 13, 11, 8, 17. Now B into A. So product when possible, column from first matrix is equal to row from second matrix. The order of new matrix is 3 by 3. Okay. Now B into A. First B and then A. But both answers are not always equal. Sometime you will get equal, but sometime not equal. If both answers are equal, then we can say that A and B are commute matrix. But this not every time happens. Now B 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So in product, the order is most important. B A है तो first write B, then A. A B है तो पहले A, then B. Now B and A is 4, 1, 5, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. The product always not you will get same. Not always matlab sometime you will get same. That time A and B as called commute matrix. If A and B, AB or BA equal, then we can say that commute matrix. But many times this is not equal. A11, first row first column, 12, 2, 2. 12, 2, 2. First row second column, 3, 0, 4. 3, 0, 4. First row third column, 15, 15, 3, 6. 15, 3, 6. 15, 3, 6. Now second row first column, 4, 4, 3. 4, 4, 3. This is second row second column, 1, 0, 6. 1, 0, 6. This is second row third column, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. Then third row first column, 8, 2, 3. 8, 2, 3. And then 2, 0, 6. 2, 0, 6. And last A3, 3 matlab third row from first matrix, column from second matrix. Select third row from first matrix and column third from second. product 10 plus 3 plus 9. 10 plus 3 plus 9. 10 plus 3 plus 9. An answer here 16. Answer 7. Answer here 24. 11. 7. 20. Answer 13. 8 and 22. Now see, both answers not equal. Here AB not equal to BA. AB not equal to BA. Here note, if AB is equal to BA, then A and B matrix is called commute matrix. Okay, so this is important. Okay, this is important. Next note, if AB BA equal, then we can say commute matrix. Generally AB not equal to BA, but if AB equal to BA, then A and B are called commute matrix. If AB is equal to BA is equal to I, then B is called inverse of A. Inverse of A. Okay, B is called inverse of A. So generally AB not equal to BA, sometime you will get equal, then we can say that commute matrix, and sometime equal but I, then we can say that B is inverse of matrix A. B is inverse of matrix A. Thank you.